Hello everyone, welcome back to TechHiveHQ, and in this quick video I'll show you how to add Google fonts to your Android Studio app so that your UI stand out and look professional. Let's jump in. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to come here to attributes. You're going to click on, let's say, a text. This is the good morning. Going to search here for font family. And you're going to click on more fonts. So all Google fonts are available from here. See all of this, they are Google fonts. So you can even add something like, let's scroll, and the first one that catches my eye, Vampire One. Okay. Vampire One. And now what we want to do is, since you have already set it, the Google font, you want to run. Let me connect my device. You can see it has already loaded here. So now I want to run the application. Let's mirror this device here so that you can see. So it's launching on devices. And as you can see, the font has loaded. Good afternoon. This method is better because it uses Google Play services to download fonts on demand and saves on the application side. Yeah, and that's how you add Google fonts to your Android app. Super easy, and it really improves your app's look. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to TechHiveHQ for more quick Android Studio tips, and see you in the next video.
Perfect.